Hey guys, so I want to share with you my first trade, and I can tell you right away that I'm quite unhappy about it. And not because of the fact that it was a losing trade. I mean, it's a market. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we make profits. It's not about that. It's about the fact that at the time of executing this trade, I was working. I was working my 9 to 5, and there was literally my working laptop on the right side of the desktop, and nearby there was my personal laptop with MetaTrader opened. And this is not the way you want to approach trading, right? You want to be 100% committed, at least at the time of making this decision, that you're opening this trade. You want to know your risk profile, you want to know what is the exit plan, right? And I believe that it was not the case with me back then, because I was quite overwhelmed by my job responsibilities. And you cannot trade like, oh, there is some decent setup there, I will enter. No, you have to be 100% focused on the chart. And I was not. And one more thing. When I rewatched the video, I realized that I do not like the way I look on the camera, so I decided to cover myself with a cat. I hope you will like it more. Hey guys, so it happened that I entered this first trade in the challenge before I even uploaded the introduction video, as it turned out that it actually takes some time to edit it, but I will post it on my Telegram channel, so you will be updated anyways. So the reasoning behind this trade is, as you see, the price did react on the previous local low, and now it's retesting it. And overall, the dollar is strengthening now, if we take a look at other currency pairs. Plus the pin bars that you see here, it's the second one formed from this level. So a little bit of price action as well. And one of the most important reasons is that, as you see, USD CAD is gradually going upwards. So the previous resistance turned into the support level. So I expect this level to hold. Maybe it will not, we'll see. But at least this is my assumption. Oh yeah, and as you see, the risk-reward ratio is also one of the most important factors that made me execute this trade. Stop loss is placed just under the recent low, and I expect the price to reach the local high, like the upper part of this channel. So I'm still holding the trade, and I'm looking for an opportunity to add, because first, the dollar is still strengthening, and the second thing is that when I calculated the initial risk-reward ratio, it gave me another number than when I actually entered the trade, and it turned out that I could get a bigger position. I wanted to get a bigger position, so yeah, now I want to add maybe somewhere around 35.115, or even a little bit lower, but we will see. So we didn't have to wait for too long. I added to the position after a little spike down. I will see, maybe I will add to it if it drops a little bit more, but we will see. Okay, so I added once more. Maybe it's a little bit too aggressive, but I just feel that strength in dollar, and I expect it to keep strengthening, but we'll see. Okay, so yeah, as I said, it might have been too aggressive decision to add there. And most probably one of my stop losses will be triggered right now, because I had to move it up just to keep the risk on the appropriate level. But it's okay. I don't think I will be looking for another opportunity to re-enter. We will just keep observing what's gonna happen. Yes, as I said, one of my stop losses was triggered, so now my position is reduced. And yeah, as I mentioned, I'm not gonna take any action right now. I will just observe how the situation will look like. Okay guys, so the rest of my stop losses was triggered, and now I'm out of the position with the loss of $189. $179, sorry. So yeah, the first trade in this challenge was losing trade, but it's okay. The loss was bigger than I planned initially, but still it's not that bad. And at least I don't have this, urgency to make my money back, even if the price will bounce back right now and reach my initial profit target. I will still take it because I understand that it's a market, and not always does it act as we expect it to, right? Actually, more often than not, it doesn't. So yeah, in the hindsight, I was kinda right with the movement, but I was wrong with timings, and I did not assume that it would actually break this level. As you see, there was a little consolidation here, and then yes, the price started moving up. But I let it go. I already entered another trade that I already posted to my channel, and to my Telegram channel, and I will upload it to YouTube soon as well. So yeah, you can see that the reasoning behind that was far from perfect, let's say. And I created this channel with intention to better understand myself if the trade I'm entering is good or not. And this time I think I failed this. But the next time I will try to do it better. Thank you for watching, guys. If you are interested in Thank you for watching, guys. If you are interested in continuation of my trading journey, subscribe to the channel and join the Telegram group where I post basically all of my trades. Thank you. Bye.